Buenos días, vamos a hacer desayuno. Mi familia desayunó, mi esposo les dio de comer, pero yo tengo tanta hambre, me desperté a las 12 del mediodía porque mi niño tenía una fiebre muy alta. De repente fuimos al museo de niños y regresó como con un hoarse cough and it's doing much better now. You know me, as a mom, if my son is sick, I feel like I can't sleep. So sure thing, I slept super late watching him until his fever went down. I woke up at noon because this mom is exhausted and my husband's home, so I'm gonna sleep in. I am wearing again my jean skirt because it's como matayaki top. I love these tops. I think I got them at Diddy's a few years ago and they're like my favorite. They're in my hair up reason because it's so hot. Like I can feel the heat from the inside in. I can feel the heat from the outside in. So I want to go to the park with the kids today. So we're just probably gonna go to the park, grab some snacks, some sushi because I've been wanting sushi for the longest, and then we're just gonna enjoy the day. My husband said that my kids already ate, but I know my kids and I know they're gonna ask for food as soon as we're heading out the door. I want to go to TJ Maxx or Marshalls to get a pan because I have no pans. As soon as water hits my soul, I'm just a whole new person. I should probably let the oil cook first, but I've been getting burned so many times, so I'm just gonna do it this way. I'm finally turning the cheddar on my coffee, and I found a half and half lactose free, which I'm really excited about because I'm lactose intolerant. I want cajeta. I want a cajeta to my coffees, like the la vaquita. That one's my favorite. But I want it straight out of Mexico because no sabe igual. No sabe igual. Le agrego su tomate y su cebolla. And to make my avocado, onion, salt, and pepper. Están, luego poner mi aguacate. A ver si no me enchilo porque ni probé si estaba picoso el jalapeño. How do you know when a jalapeno is picoso? My husband's playing with the kids upstairs, so if you guys hear like craziness, that's him playing with all the kids. My egg, my papitas que se me secaron, pero pues también están buenas. A little link. Y así quedó. Entonces I like to cut it para que se caiga como la llama. Yes, that's my favorite part.